Let's talk about automation. What I'd like to do is show you how to set up automated messages, which will be automatically triggered based on different aspects of your trip. So if we open up our automated messages section, this will show you all of your automated messages that you've created. This is how to add a new one. Let's say that we want to set up an automated message that will go out automatically to all of my clients within a few days of returning from their trip, asking to rate my services. So we can say, rate my services here. That'll be the name. If you wanted to add a template from your templates of your messaging center, you can add one from there. Otherwise, you can skip it and go straight to your trigger rules. So we give you quite a few trigger types that you can select from. I'm going to select based on my trip end date, and I want it to go out 3 days after. So I'm going to say days after, change it to a 3, and 8 a.m. is fine. So 3 days after my trip end date, my clients should receive an email. Here I can select whether I want it to go out to my existing trips only or my new trips or both. So I'm going to apply it to both. And whether I want it to go out to all of my travelers on that trip or maybe just my lead travelers. So I can select here who I want this to go to. Of course, the email addresses will have to be attached to your clients' profiles for them to receive these emails. There are different rules you can set up for this automation, for example, destinations, tags, preferences. I'm going to skip that for now and go straight into my message. So I can say, your review would mean the world. And then I can paste whatever I'd like here. So I would just paste my message here or type in whatever I'd like. I'm going to add in personalization here. So I'm going to say insert first name. That way it'll automatically take the traveler's first name and add it to this. And then I can go ahead and add a hyperlink if I need them to complete a review elsewhere. Now, if you have an email signature, you can insert it, or you can always add it to your My Account section so that it'll automatically populate on all of your automations and messages. I'm going to save this because I'm happy with it. And so now it's down here, rate my services. Maybe I want to add another one for welcome home. Now, once I've created all of the automated messages, I can start adding them to trips. Let's see what that would look like. So we'll come over here to my Riviera Maya wedding. And if we scroll over to my automated messages tab in my planner page, I can add any new automation. So I can click add new, and I'm going to select my rate my services and my welcome home. I can also send them, 2 days before departure or any of the other ones that I've created. Now, based on these trip start and end dates, these messages will be sent out. If for whatever reason I need to amend one of the automated messages, I can just click on my edit pencil for this particular one, fix whatever it is within the automated message for this trip only. So I can amend those or delete them